What's up, guys? So, for the few people that show a little bit of interest on my videos in general, and in this case, my project I had with my 2016's on Armada, as you guys, if you guys see my videos, or at least the subtitles, I had an accident with it. It was my wife's truck. It was winter. Um, I was driving. Fortunately, it was just me. None of my family was in the truck. It was just me. I forgot to put the 4x4. Anyways, I caught some a bed of snow, I guess, and caused me to lose control. And I ended up flipping, rolling over, and landed on a snow pillow. And that kind of took a lot of, absorbed a lot of the impact, so that was good. But obviously, I was left with some cosmetic damage to the vehicle. Like I said, no windows were shattered, all my mirrors were intact. Um, there's a picture that I posted of how it landed, but I'm not gonna edit this video. Just as I'm recording, I'm gonna upload this sucker. And just to give you guys a quick update, this was a couple years ago that happened. I think 2019, maybe 20. It was before the pandemic, and so yeah, I said I was gonna fix it up. I did start messing around with it. I did buy the fender, but that was just about it because this one was pretty damaged. It wasn't savable. So I bought this one and then just left it there. Didn't do anything else to the truck. Um, but so if you guys do see the videos of the damage, you guys will probably appreciate on what I did so far to it, because there was some pretty big dents in there, and I was able to pull them out until now that I actually started. So I am currently at my shop. So yeah, that's why the truck is here, and that's why I have more time to actually mess around with it. So anyways, so this one was one of them. This one was a pretty tough one, I want to say. For some reason it kind of gave me a hard time, but um I don't want to use a lot of Bondo or fiberglass in this case, because I do use a lot of fiberglass. So I really want to pull out the dents as much as I can. So I was able to do that, and it's almost. I'm not gonna lie, there's a couple dents still there that I still need to get out, but for the most part, I took them out, so that's good. This one came out amazing. If you guys see the other videos, you guys will see how bad it was pushed in. So I was able to, take it back out, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of fiberglass, a little bit of Bondo glaze, and paint. So anyways, got this. That was just rusted, so that's not a big issue. um Back here, like I said, I landed on a snow pillow, but there was trees and whatnot, branches, and um that's what kind of pushed, I guess, the branches. When I landed, it pushed the stuff inside. But like I said, now I'm trying to taking them out as much as I can, so that I don't have to do a lot of Bondo. Just because I feel like the integrity of a vehicle should be, you guys know what I mean. So the less Bondo, the better. Otherwise, you knock on that sucker, you'll be able to tell that it was in an accident, and whoever did the job did a crappy job because they used a lot of Bondo. They didn't want to pull out the damage. Then again, you get what you pay for, so let's keep that in mind. But in this case, I'm doing it, so I am gonna sell it. I am gonna get rid of the truck just because uh, my wife doesn't want it anymore. So I am gonna try and fix it, so sell it. And honestly, I am not gonna sell it that expensive just because it was involved in a car accident. There is no report, but my conscience won't let me say that it had never been in an accident when I know it was. But besides the cosmetic issue from the outside, the damage, the body damage that it had, I mean, which is pretty much it. Everything else is in good condition. Somebody decided to key the truck, which wasn't good. But besides that, the inside is amazing. The airbags, they did deploy, but I did put them back. That's why you see it's a little bit of sagging right there, and then that section is out. I haven't been able to put it back in, but I did replace all the airbags. And it was just the side curtains that went out, none of the front, none of the steering wheel. So it was just the side ones because I landed on the side. So shout out to Nissan for that. But anyways, I will keep you guys updated with the rest. It's at the shop, and then paint will be next. All right, peace.